All right, well, I am back for my day one coding challenges, and I've kind of revised my plan. I'm not going to do an easy, medium, and hard. I might do, because I just did one medium and it was really time consuming, and I'm very conscious of time. Maybe it's worth it to do all the hards, but they tend to be kind of hard. So what I want to do is tackle more easy and mediums, get a little not just about like getting confidence, but also just like getting more experience with the typical kind of problems that I would see, and then solutions for those. And then once I build up a good repertoire of that, I can kind of go on to the harder ones. It is day one, so I'm not really trying to kill myself right now. So I'm going to be tackling. I just finished a medium, so I'm going to tackle I think another easy one. And looks like bubble sort is the next one. So we're going to do a bubble sort. Consider the following version of bubble sort, and it's in JavaScript, and it looks like it's just you swap adjacent elements if they are in descending order, and you just keep doing that n times, and eventually you will get to it. So this algorithm, the bubble sort, is very inefficient. It is an n squared big O because you have to loop through the array twice. Anyway, so given an array of integers, sort the arrays using bubble sort. Once sorted, print the following 3 lines. Array is sorted in blank swaps, where num swaps is the number of swaps that took place. First element in the sorted array, last element in the sorted array. Okay. To complete this challenge, you must add a variable that keeps a running tally of all swaps. Yes, that's a good hint. So it looks something like this. Okay, that's fine with me. All right, cool. So I think I'm going to just create a print function that just kind of does what they're asking, and then I'll worry about the bubble sort algorithm itself later. So actually, this is kind of tackling something that is on my list of topics to figure out some sorting algorithms. Although this one is not on the list because bubble sort is like well known to not be very good. Print array. Okay, so that's what we're doing here. Oh. So this is more of a console log situation. Can I do like, yeah, okay. Console.log. I want to use this kind of notation here. And I did like that. Okay, cool. Whereas that is the array.length -1 value. And the first value is, it's array n1. 0. And I missed the tick there. Nope, this tick. All right, 3 swaps. And no, it's not num swaps. Num swaps. I'll just say 0 for now, and num swaps, right? Like that. Okay. So it's 3 of these console logs. Print array. Okay, so print array on A should print array is sorted in 0 swaps, first element, second element. So I'm going to run this and see if this is the kind of code it's looking for. All right, cool. So that's what I did, and that's what it is. So it looks like these are even. Okay, perfect. Okay, so the code swapped itself. Oh, and look at that. I already passed the test. Didn't even need to do anything. Fantastic. Okay, cool. So that's my print A. I'm going to do that at the very end. So it doesn't return anything, it just prints. And it looks like so they actually give you the code, right? Well, interesting. So the swap idea. Yeah, swap adjacent elements if they are in decreasing order. And you go from 1 through n. Okay? And you just don't do the last one. J. So I'm just gonna kind of like, I'm not gonna copy it. I want to like really understand the concept, even though I know it should be fairly simple. I want to make a function here. Swap array ij. And I think this is gonna be pretty simple. Temp equals array I. So you store the value temporarily. Array I is now sorted as array j, and then array j is now the temp value that was swapped in. Okay, so that's my swapping function. So I'm going to do for const, no, it's let I equal 0, I is less than a.length. So you need to go through the whole, I guess not, right? It's like length minus 1 probably. Oh no, just I, okay. Oh, you don't keep track of I, you don't care about I. You just do it that number of times. Okay, I see. Okay, so interesting. So I was going to say this loop doesn't matter. This loop is just to iterate the necessary number of times to ensure sort. Okay, so there are other ways that I'm sure you can like short circuit this to say like, oh, if it's already sorted at this point, you can just get out of the loop. But we're not worrying about that right now. We don't care about efficiency. Let j equal 0, and j is less than a.length minus 1, because we don't care about the last one doesn't need to be sorted. And this is j++. And here we can say if aj, and if you're greater than aj plus 1, and that's also another reason because you're always looking one ahead. You can't do that on the last value. If this is the case, then we can swap, given the array, j and j plus 1. And that, I think, will give us what we're looking for. Let's see. And that's also in place that it's doing that. I'm not keeping track of the number of swaps, so that's the problem. But I think, let me see if I can print, if I can just console log the array itself. I want to see if it's actually printing properly. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. My output is 1, 2, 3, right? This output is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the sorting is actually working. And then I just need to simply keep track of number of swaps. Equals 0. And if this happens, simply say, hey, swaps plus plus. And I provide swaps as an argument to my print function. I think that should do it. Let's see. All right, looks good. I'm going to run submit code. Okay, not too bad. So that was the second easy for today. I'm going to go and try and do my medium as well. It looks like the easies are actually pretty easy. So that at least gives me some confidence that I can confidently attack some of these easier problems. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one.